Right, yeah? So we've got head, body, one arm, but that's not even halfway there yet, is it? So let's draw the other arm. Now if you have a look, this is the arm that's thrown back there. This arm here, she's obviously a very cool grandma, isn't she? So she's come around and she's giving the thumbs up. So we need to just draw this arm that comes out of the bottom here. So it comes out of this part here, a little arm that hangs down there, and we just draw it like that for the moment. Don't worry about the end. Do you guys want to join in?
Yeah, they got delayed on the way.
That's fine, I'll grab you some paper and some pencils.
But
That's
they've
fine.
waited now.
It's better late than never. How many of them is there? Is it 3? Lovely. 1, 2, 3. There you go, chaps. There's your paper and your pencils. You are more than welcome. Oops, Daisy, I'll get you some to lean on as well. There you go, and you can lean on one of these books. There you go. No problem. Rightio. So we've got the head shape, we've got the body shape, we've got 2 arms. Let's have a look what I did next. 3, 4, 5. So we need to give some legs now, don't we? See the arms, this arm's getting thrown back, this one's giving the thumbs up, and these legs are bent and coming backwards, aren't they? So these are quite tricky, these legs, and hopefully I've got enough space to fit mine on. So you need to come out of the back of the body and go up and bend like that, because obviously the legs will bend in the middle. So you draw one leg there on that side. Now the other leg is kind of around the other side of the body a little bit, so you won't see as much of that. So this leg just comes up there like that. So far these are all kind of tricky to get in the right place, but they're quite normal shapes, aren't they? Have you got a question?
I don't have enough room.
Do you want me to give you another piece of paper? Yeah, that's fine. If anyone else needs another piece of paper at any point, do you want to have another go? Yeah? You want to have another go on a new piece? Don't worry too much about your pencil lines on this piece of paper. I can tell you, and my wife will agree to this, if you look at the back of my desk when I get home, I look at the back of my desk, there's just a big pile of rubbing out, okay? I use a rubber a lot, and I mean a lot, okay? So if I get lines in the wrong place, so say I drew a line like that there, I thought, oops, I just leave it there at the moment, I don't worry about it, because later on I'll probably just rub it out anyway. And at the moment, all we need to worry about is just the shapes. If you get the shapes in the right place, then you don't need to worry about little stray lines here and there. These are looking good though, excellent. So we're halfway through the basic shapes of our grandma. What about the next one? So the next one's going to be this hand up here. So you can see this hand there. So I'm going to draw it here, but at the moment we're just going to draw a circle on the end of the arm. Hands are actually one of the hardest things to draw because they move around a lot, kind of a bit tricky hands. So we're going to make them as easy as possible. So I always start with a circle because that is the easiest thing to start drawing a hand with. Good circle hands, everyone. Nice. Super duper. So then, the next hand down here needs to be another circle. Draw a circle there. Now I may have drawn my picture slightly too big, so hopefully I'm going to cheat a little bit. You can't do this to cheat, this is the beauty of doing something like this. I can cheat and extend my face, oh no, I can't. My cheating did not work very well. Cheaters never prosper, there you go, that's a lesson. Okay, so we're going to draw the feet on now. So these feet, they look quite complicated at the moment, don't they? A bit weird, a bit tricky. So we'll just do the easy bit first. So at the end of the leg, draw a shape here that looks just a bit like I guess it's kind of like just an oval shape, almost like an egg. So draw one at each the end of the feet. Just draw an oval shape now. Okay, looks a bit weird at the moment, doesn't it? A bit strange maybe. These are good, well done guys. Super brilliant. Okay. Next part, we're going to draw some ears on our grandma. So ears usually go on the side of the head, I believe that's correct. So you find your head shape, which you should have drawn first. Everyone find your head that you've drawn with a big cross in the middle of it. On the side of it, we draw 2 big ears. Now I like big ears on people, on pictures. I think it's good to have nice big ears on your picture. That ear looks a bit small than the other one, so I'll just make it a bit bigger. Okay, So when I draw a picture of any character, to start off with, I'll draw a bunch of silly shapes a bit like this.